Are you prepared to learn about a wholly new and frequently overlooked factor in Tesla's success that, according to many Tesla users, has led to financial freedom? It's not a brand new car model, an outrageous 40 chess move by Elon Musk, or even another amazing innovation. The success of this video is actually you, the viewer. In this segment, we'll delve into the mysterious world of Tesla's fandom. Prepare to be astounded as we reveal the extraordinary impact that loyal supporters like you have on the business. Their unwavering commitment goes far beyond simply buying a Tesla vehicle. They are a force to be reckoned with, going to extraordinary lengths to support and promote the brand. This distinct feature of the company has made many Tesla bulls wealthy, and you could be the next. But before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe for more unbelievable Tesla news. You've probably heard laud Tesla's incredible products. When someone experiences a Tesla for the first time, it's not a typical encounter. They feel a sense of wonder, excitement, and joy that is rarely associated with a vehicle. When they become owners, they become salespeople for Tesla, telling everyone they know about their amazing car. But there's a secret weapon that Tesla has that's worth billions, and it's hidden in plain sight: their army of satisfied customers. When people hear about the amazing experiences that Tesla owners are having, they're more likely to want to have them for themselves. And when they do, they join the army by telling others about their amazing new car. But Tesla's customers are also its army, and they're having an impact in many other ways as well. While other automakers spend billions of dollars each year trying to persuade consumers that their vehicles are the best, Tesla's army is also saving the company hundreds of millions of dollars annually in advertising costs. Tesla customers are doing the work for them, spreading the word through word-of-mouth recommendations, and these recommendations are the best kind of advertising. Consumers are more likely to trust their friends and family than they are to trust a commercial or advertisement, and as Tesla's army grows, so does its customer base. For every vehicle that Tesla owns, they're likely to sell a few more just from word of mouth. In conclusion, Tesla's army of satisfied customers is a secret weapon that's worth billions. They're creating new owners, saving the company money on advertising costs, and helping the company grow through word-of-mouth recommendations. As Tesla continues to innovate and create amazing products, its army will only grow stronger, spreading the word and helping the company to achieve even greater success in the future. In a world where Teslas are still a rarity owned by a privileged few and unfamiliar to most, a shift is imminent. As this changes, a tidal wave of new customers will flock to Tesla, drawn in by the power of influence. After all, humans are social creatures, easily swayed by the thoughts and opinions of others. The undeniable truth of this phenomenon needs no further explanation. You may be familiar with Jaden Smith, a rising star in the music business, and his music video for the popular song Icon, in which he proudly displayed his Tesla Model X. The song has received over 130 million views on YouTube, and Jaden didn't stop there. 2 years later, in the official music video for I, he takes a joyride in the back seat of his now pink Model X with its gold wing doors open. The impact of such influential figures proudly displaying their Teslas cannot be understated. And then there's Travis Scott, a name that resonates in the music industry. In his recent music video Gang Gang, Travis features not only a Tesla Cybertruck but also a Cyber Quad, making them prominent symbols throughout the visual spectacle. Within just 2 weeks, the video garnered over 10 million views, capturing the attention of millions with its Tesla-infused imagery. But the Tesla way doesn't stop there. Enter Joe Rogan, the enigmatic figure known for his podcast, his UFC commentary, and his fondness for exploring the depths of consciousness through substances like DMT. In 2018, Elon Musk appeared on Joe Rogan's podcast, sparking a blaze of interest. During their conversation, Musk suggested Rogan should get a Tesla Model S, taking the suggestion to heart. Joe became a proud owner of a Tesla. Since then, Joe Rogan has enthusiastically shared his Tesla experience with his colossal audience, leaving no room for doubt about the power of his influence. The truth teller, Joe passionately expressed his amazement at the Tesla Model S, comparing it to a spaceship and marveling at its mind-blowing speed, leaving even his powerful Porsche GT3 RS in the dust. His testimonial alone holds such weight that it probably persuaded more people to consider Tesla than any marketing campaign could ever hope to. Jay-Z, Jay Leno, Joe Rogan, and a variety of influential figures, including Jay-Z and Jay Leno, were among the testimonials. Tesla has distinguished itself from conventional automakers like GM. While GM spends billions of dollars annually trying to persuade people that its products are cool, these sleek electric vehicles have an allure that goes far beyond their cool factor. Simply put, Tesla makes cool products. Even when discussing the company from an investment standpoint, as is the case in this discussion, it draws more attention to the brand and increases sales. The rich, famous, and influential continue to embrace the allure of Tesla, and as they do, the ripple effects of their influence will spread far and wide, forever altering the automotive industry. Allow me to grab your attention by introducing you to the fascinating world of Graham, Martin, and Stephen Brownlee. Graham, who is known for his remarkable thriftiness and financial know-how, has captivated 1.4 million viewers with his videos detailing how he bought his Tesla Model 3 and the beneficial effects it has had on his finances. However, Graham is merely a minnow in comparison to the mighty Marques Brownlee, who definitely walks the line between content creator and influential figure with a staggering 10 million subscribers. The combined views of MKBHD's top 10 Tesla videos exceed an astounding 45 million, surpassing the entire population of Australia. Such enormous influences are obviously difficult to ignore. Tesla itself fully understands the significance of this phenomenon, and the majority of notable YouTubers and a small number of other guests attend their exclusive launch events. Tesla understands that social media and influencers have much more credibility than traditional media. For example, when Elon Musk, the mysterious CEO, was asked about Wall Street during a conference call, he quickly diverted the conversation to YouTube, where Galilea Russell of Hyperchange was waiting with a series of internet questions. Elon said that the dryness of those traditional questions was simply intolerable. How did this incredible feat happen, you ask? It all started with a straightforward tweet from a podcast listener politely requesting a conversation with a legendary entrepreneur. Now let's delve into the world of Elon Musk and his devoted fan base. It's important to acknowledge that Elon has genuinely earned his vast sea of fanboys because he serves as an inspiration to people across the spectrum, be they business owners, climate activists, entrepreneurs, or even die-hard nerds. Tesla's legion of content creators continues to grow exponentially, spreading the company's message far and wide across the globe. Without a doubt, this expansion holds great significance. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has a special ability to reach a huge audience for free. Mastery of social media amongst 30 million followers dwarf those of any other automaker CEO, and his quirky humor and edgy tweets have helped him build a cult-like following. His influence is so great that many people first hear about him as the eccentric billionaire before they learn about Tesla. But the real secret to Tesla's success isn't just having a lot of social media. This army of Tesla enthusiasts who are willing to go to great lengths to support the company, from volunteering to assist with end-of-quarter deliveries to quitting their jobs to launch YouTube channels devoted to the brand, has a cumulative value that is likely in the billions, making them a formidable force in the automotive industry, while other automakers spend billions on advertising. While it is well known that Tesla has production issues, the company's army of supporters is driving it forward. They are the reason why Tesla is such a small player in the global automotive market right now, but why that's likely to change in the future. If you enjoyed this interesting content, remember to give the video a big thumbs up to support its reach to more people. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Wall Street analysts may not fully appreciate the power of Tesla's fan base, but these enthusiasts will play a critical role in the company's future success.